Hi everyone, Phương here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Nmap, a super popular port scanning tool for system admins, pen testers, and security folks. We go from basic commands to advanced scanning, service detection, OS detection, UDP scanning, running vulnerability check scripts and saving results for reports. All right, let's get started. Okay. First, Nmap is network mapper, open source, helping you discover host, bot status, services, and their versions, detect operating systems, and it even has added scripts to automatically check for vulnerabilities. If the machine doesn't have Nmap yet, let's install it quickly. On CentOS, we can use sudo dnf install nmap. Enter. Yes. Once installed, you can use it right away. Now I want to quickly check which hosts in the network are currently online. So we can use sudo nmap with option S and 192.168.146.024. This command only scans online hosts. It doesn't scan bots. Okay, enter. When I need to focus on scanning just a few important bots, I'll scan only those bots to save time. We can use Nmap with option B at T 443 at dot 8 meaning scan box at T 443 on 8.8.8.8. Okay, enter or scan the entire port range on localhost Nmap with option B from 1 to 6 5 5 3 5 local host. Enter. If you want to scan multiple IP addresses, Nmap gives you a few handy options. Enter, or we can use a wildcard. CIDR regis and wildcards are all supported. Okay, enter. When I need results quickly, I just scan the most common ports and map with option top pause 20 192.168.146.141. This scans only 20 most common ports to see if they are open on the target server. Okay, enter. Okay, clear. If you want to be more live fluid, we use SYN scan sudo nmap as uppercase as meaning it only sends SYN package without committing the handshake. So it's often less likely to be locked. Enter. If you are not running with root privileges, you can use nmap as uppercase T. This a full TCP connect, so it's easier to detect. Okay, enter. Some systems have firewalls blocking ICMP, so pinging the target server won't get a reply. In that case, skip the ping step with sudo nmap with option uppercase P and enter. If we need to speed up the scan, I'll increase the timing. Uppercase T means a faster scan, a scale from 0 to 5. Okay, enter. When you want to know exactly what service and which versions is listening on a target port. We can use sudo and map, meaning nmap will send blocks and try to identify the version of at HTTP on the target machine. Okay, enter. To guess the target machine's OS, we can use with option uppercase O. Enter. Or if you want the full combo, we can use sudo nmap with option uppercase A, meaning OS detection, skips, and trace root all in one. Enter. In practice, UDP scanning is harder, usually slower, and can have false negatives. To help you visualize, I have set up a TFTP service on the target machine. You can see I have uh, a target server. Okay. First, we will install and enable the TFTP socket on the target server. Sudo dnf install with option Y. TFTP server. Okay, enter. Sudo systemctl enable. Now TFTP socket. Enter. Okay. Then we open UDP port. UDP permanent. And reload Okay. And check if TFTP is listening. Okay. After that, from the client machine, I scan UDP. UDP scanning is usually very slow and prone to false negatives. Okay. When we want to quickly check for common vulnerabilities, we can use sudo nmap with the script option. Okay, nmap will run the valve script group to check for common CVES. Okay, enter. And if you want to get specific HTTP info, HTTP title, yes, the page title, and HTTP and list directories and boys. Okay, enter. Okay, when we need to save results for reports or further processing, to a normal text file and map with option O uppercase and output dot txt. Okay, and we can get XML file. Enter. Okay, SYN scan should be run with root user. It can still be detected by Fagos, IDS, UDP, and script. Scans can be very slow and resource heavy, and most importantly, only scan when you have legal permission. So that's it from basic to advanced scans, detecting services already systems, UDP, vulnerability scripts, and saving results. I hope this video helps you take the initiative in checking and assessing your system's network security. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe so I can keep making more great content. See you next time. Thank you for watching.